Welcome. This is Neco year 2018 English test of oral past question. Question number 11. So we are still using the same instruction, which says that we should look out for the word among the list of options provided that has the same sound in the given word, particularly to the underlined word. The given word is called symbol. Symbol is transcribed as symbol. So, and the underlying letter is Y. Then the Y here sound as E, and it is replaced by a short E sound. Option A, we have the word bead. It is not build, as people call it. It is pronounced as bead. Bead. The option B, it is pronounced as mere. So this is the sound here in option B is diphthong. It is not a pure vowel sound. Remember that E is a pure vowel sound. Then option C is pronounced as mice. Mice. It is I sound. Then option D, it is pronounced as people. The E here is long E version. People. Then option E is pronounced as seat. It's different from seat. Different from this SIT. In transcription of this, we have short E in its transcription. So here we have long E seat. So the correct option here is option A. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.